what's up guys? I'm Dana Chanel, the founder of Curlbible, and today we wanted to make sure that we were bringing you some awesome content of like behind the scenes, about the company, how we do what we do, what it looks like. And so right now we're in the warehouse, and what's really cool is we actually create gorgeous backdrops out of our boxes for like pictures and videos. But today I kind of wanted to show you and talk to you guys a little about our packaging. Okay, so right now you'll see 3 packages, but I kind of just want to break them down a little bit of the evolution of Curlbible and why we have these boxes, what's the purpose, and kind of our mindset behind it. Because sometimes the consumer or you we're so grateful for your support. You may think that we're just doing it just to do it, but there's actually there's methods to our madness. So really quick, this was the original OG box, okay? This is what the company actually was built off the foundation, and you guys know that we're Christians here, and so I wanted to create a brand that when people got their package, we could put it in a box, but the box would look like a Bible. We wanted to get really creative with the packaging, and I wanted to make sure that when people saw Curlbible come in, when people shopped at Curlbible, they knew that we weren't just selling beauty products, but we were selling not even selling the Word of God, but just when you bought something at Curlbible, you actually felt the presence of the Lord, and we included it in little pieces of our fabric, of the company, and stuff like that. So this is really cool. We always knew from the beginning that our box was going to look like a Bible. And so you can see that it has like Curlbible on the side. It says packaged with love in Philadelphia. And so if you order something from Curlbible and it's less than I would say 5 products and it fits in this box, this is the box that you will receive. This is the box that probably 90 or I would say 80% of our customers receive is the Curlbible signature Bible box. And then we got our graphic designer to do the gold on the side so it looked like the gold pages, the old school Bibles that when you flip the pages it was all gold and pretty. So that was the mindset behind it. We wanted to get creative, we wanted to be different, we wanted to be set apart. And so when you saw this on your doorstep or you went to go pick it up, you were excited and proud to be opening your box. And just a little play on the Word of God and that thing called the Bible. So okay, there that is, right? Now, we started having a huge issue. You guys are such an amazing support system. What we were realizing is that I would say our average order price is anywhere from 5 to 8 products. And so what we were actually realizing is that this box was not big enough. This box was not big enough at all. And so we were stuffing product in it, and it just became a disaster. Sometimes our carriers weren't necessarily taking the best care of these packages, they would bust. And so we knew that we needed a second option. We knew that we needed a bigger box. We knew that we needed something to be able to fit more product in, especially when we have our legendary last day of the month sales. It's that time of the month because on the last day of Curlbible we do 40% off for 40 minutes at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the entire store. So you guys literally were buying 25 to 30 products. And there was just no way that we would fit it into these boxes, and we'd have to use multiple and charge more for shipping. And so we wanted to limit that and make sure everything that you ordered actually went into one package. And so that's when we moved on to our motivational box, which we kind of veered away from the Bible because there's only one Bible, and a Bible ain't this big. So what we wanted to do is we constantly want to inspire, encourage the women who buy beauty products. And so we said nothing is more beautiful than a woman filled with the Spirit of the Lord. So we put that on the box. You'll be able to find that on 2 places. It's upside down. But you can obviously see this is probably about 3 times the size of the original packaging. So this definitely fits. I don't think we've buckled out of this yet. We definitely have not buckled out of this box yet. This has definitely been big enough, and so we saw a great kind of result from making sure that we have 2 different types of packaging. And once again, I think we did it twice, but twice we actually changed the quotes on the packaging. But like I said, this quarter, we try to change it every quarter when we put a reorder in for our boxes. It says nothing is more beautiful than a woman filled with the Spirit of the Lord. Like I said, it is super important to me that they're not just buying quality products, but how they feel when they receive it. And so our goal is to give you the most beautiful experience when shopping with Curlbible. And so that was our goal. And there's nothing more encouraging or puts a smile on our face, reminding us that we're beautiful and that the Lord has our back. And just even if you're having a bad day, everyone gets super excited when they're watching, they're tracking, and their order gets there. There's nothing like, just having that emotional attachment to just our customers to know that we love them and appreciate them. So something else that's really cool, and I'm gonna need y'all to be quiet. Can you get them really quick? They're over here whispering and talking. We can hear it. We can hear it, guys. Y'all real cute though. I will say, y'all are so cute. Y'all are so cute. Something else that we actually add in our packaging, we call it the Curlbible Love Letters. Once again, every quarter, depending on what's happening in the world or what's going on or just what society is going through at the very moment, we always write a love letter on the back. I'm going to cover it because love letters are only for customers. And it's literally a message from me. I'm just encouraging you. I will say, guys, this handwriting is not mine, okay? I usually write it and type it up, and I give it to our best handwriter because my handwriting is so sloppy. I'm like one of those people, like, my handwriting is not girly. So she writes it up and makes it super, super pretty. But the message is indeed, I promise, from me. And so this one's more about like COVID and kind of like what we expected with life and stuff like that. And once again, just something for me to talk to the customers about and just show you our appreciation. It's always like a cool picture of me actually in the product. So for example, we have this, I think this just sold out, this lipstick, because everyone was like super obsessed with it. Once again, y'all know I'm a sucker for red lipstick. So ironically, almost a year later, I'm wearing the same exact lipstick. And I'm wearing the same lashes, makeup. So that's super cute. And then you can see Duke right there. Wait, where is he? Duke. Duke. Yay. So cute. But yeah, so you'll always find a love letter in one of the packages with your product. Now, we just innovated a little bit and wanted to change it up to our third box. Once again, you'll either be getting this one. I think we have maybe a couple more pallets left of this box, but once this is out, then you guys will indeed be receiving for the rest of the year this box. Now, when we were brainstorming about what we wanted to put on our box, once again, it has to be something encouraging. It has to be something powerful. It has to be something that makes a woman feel so special when she's reading it. And so it was like, well, what better than to speak life into her and just yell things at her. Like, just tell her who she is, remind her who she's called to be. And so you'll see powerful, resilient, ambitious, strong, anointed, chosen, favored, set apart, blessed, called. And so we just put that on both sides of the box. Oh, that's upside down. And we're so excited the way that it came out. If you get closer, it does indeed have a little shadow of like some purple and some blue to make it look super cool. But once we're done this, we're going to be moving on to this. And then in the beginning of the year, we'll change the packaging again for our inspirational boxes. So there you go, guys. I just wanted to show you. Is it upside down? No. I just wanted to show you some of our packaging. So if you order from Curlbible, kind of what to expect or what kind of package you're looking for. Usually other companies you kind of expect, you know what an Amazon box looks like, you know what their packaging looks like. So kind of just want to give you guys a heads up. When you shop at Curlbible, you definitely will receive a Bible or you will receive something motivational. You cannot miss Curlbible when it gets on your block. And I think something too that we didn't expect that was kind of like cool is you think that you're making a decision to inspire just one customer. But what we started realizing is not only were we inspiring customers and speaking life into them, everyone who touched this package, the actual carrier system, women and like literally have been so inspired, literally have been taking pictures, DMing them to us like, hey, I work for USPS and I saw this and it was exactly what I needed to smile and to remind me. So it's so crazy how when you have intention to breathe life and to speak, powerful words and motivation over people, it usually has a trickle effect and affects more people than you expect. So we thought that was really cool. So just want to let you guys know what to expect when you purchase from Curlbible. We're gonna go start filling some orders because we are working on a really good time. Like, we get your order out in like less than 12 hours. So in order for us to do that, we have to get back to work. So see y'all. Thank y'all so much. Comment, like, subscribe. I'm sure this will end up on YouTube. I felt like a YouTuber just now. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. But most importantly, download the Curlbible mobile application. We have some amazing, literally amazing features on there that you're not going to get anywhere else. We have everything from exclusive coupons, or if you're looking for a beauty tech, maybe she does lashes or nails, you can find a beauty tech there. You can shop, and most importantly, just stay up to date and be the first on deals and just a bunch of new things that are happening at Curlbible. So talk to y'all later.